Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get help with account recovery on Bright. Are you logged out of your Bright account or you just forgot your login credentials? Here's how to get help with account recovery in just a few steps. Start by opening the Bright app or visiting the Bright login page on the website, and then tap forgot password or trouble logging in. Enter the email address or phone number that's linked to your Bright account. You're going to receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter the code and then follow the prompt to reset your password. If you no longer have access to your registered email or phone number, go to the help and support section of the login screen. There you're going to tap recover my account and complete the identity verification form. You may be asked for a photo ID, last transaction details, or as well as the linked account information. Just submit the form and Bright support team will get back to you, typically within 24 to 48 hours. Once verified, they're going to help you to securely regain access. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Bright recovery tips that keep your finances safe. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.